I'm Dave Newton, professional photographer, filmmaker and all-round Canon geek. Since launch, I've been using the EOS R system and have in that time taken many thousands of pictures across multiple different genres. With a kit bag that includes an EOS 5D Mark IV, a 1DX2 and a 5D SR, why is it that I continually reach for the EOS R? Well, it's a combination of a couple of different reasons. Firstly, the resolution. 30 megapixels is plenty enough for most things that I need. Sure, having the 50 megapixels of 5D SR is brilliant if I'm doing landscapes, but for the most part, it's overkill, particularly in day-to-day shooting. Secondly, the autofocus is excellent. No, it doesn't quite reach the autofocus performance of my 1DX Mark II. When you're shooting portraits, it more than matches it. Face Detect AF is spectacular, particularly when you enable the eye tracking AF as well. It makes shooting portraits wide open on lenses such as the 85 1.2 or the 50 1.2 super simple, knowing you're going to get critical focus on the eye every single time. Which leads me on to the lenses. Since launch, they've caused quite a stir, and rightly so. They are a perfect showcase of what lens design is capable of when matched to technology throughout the system. But it's not just the RF lenses. With the lens adapters that Canon have available, I can use all my favourite EF, TSE and EFS lenses. For example, the TSE 24mm is pretty much my go-to landscape lens. But if I'm travelling and I want a long zoom lens, I'll take the EF 100 to 400mm. When I'm filming, the EFS 10 to 18 gives me a really compact, really lightweight and inexpensive wide-angle option. In fact, to make the transition to mirrorless easier, Canon are currently including the standard adapter in the box when you buy the camera. Finally, I do a lot of work with Canon Speedlight Flash. And the great thing about the EOS R system is that it works just the same as all my other EF cameras. There's no new things to learn, there's nothing that isn't available, everything is there and works just as I expect. Over this series of videos, I'll walk you through some of my favourite features of the EOS R system and showcase just what it's capable of with some of the images and videos that I've captured since I've had the camera.